Good day. Welcome to another series of Mathematics Just Got Easier with DR Tutors. In today's class, we are going to be taking an example on writing a quadratic equation in the vertex form. Let's take a look at what we have on the board. So we have write the equation x squared minus 4x plus 3 in vertex form. Now, remember that the vertex form is equals to a into bracket x minus h squared plus k. Now, it means that in order to write the equation in vertex form, we must write what? The vertex. So the vertex, which is equals to h comma k. Now from this equation, we are going to try to get h and we are going to try to get k. Now h can be gotten using minus b over 2a, and to get k, you plug the value of h into this equation. Okay, now we have x squared minus 4x plus 3 is equals to 0. Now, comparing this with the general quadratic equation, plus bx plus c is equals to 0. You know, a is the coefficient of x squared, a equals 1. B is the coefficient of x, b equals negative 4, and c equals 3. Now, h is equals to minus b over 2a. That is, h is equals to minus 4 over 2a. That is 2 times a, which is 1. Minus times minus is plus. That is 4 divided by 2, which is 2, which means h is 2. To get k, you plug in this 2 into this. So you have x squared, that is 2 squared minus 4 into bracket 2 plus 3 is equals to 0. So 2 squared is 4 minus 4 times 2 is 8 plus 3. 4 minus 8 will give negative 4. Negative 4 plus 3 will give negative 1. So this is equals to k. So the vertex is equals to h comma k. And h, we got h to be 2. K, we got it to be what? Negative 1. Now, but our focus is on the vertex form, which is y equals a into bracket x minus h all squared plus k. That will be y is equals to a. Now we got a to be 1, the coefficient of x squared, which is 1, into bracket x minus h is 2 square plus k plus minus 1. So y is equals to 1 x minus 2 square minus 1, because plus times minus is minus. From this vertex form, we can actually describe the graph. Now, a is positive, which means it opens upward. Now, h is also positive, which means the graph shifts to the right. And k is negative, which means it moves downward. Thank you for listening. Book DR Tutors for your personalized online science, commercial, art, and Nigerian languages, because we have the best tutors. Follow DR Tutors for daily content. Follow, like, and share. Bye. See you next time.